You are going to love the 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, front floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel ABS. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.